What is up, everybody? I wanted to make a quick video and talk about a Victorinox Alox Cadet limited edition for 2023. It's called Winter Magic. Now, I first initially passed up on this, but I found a way to get another one. And my other only single cadet, as you'll see in the old pouch here, is an olive green. This is my only cadet. And it was feeling a little lonely, I guess. So I thought, let's go ahead and get this Winter Magic. Let's open it up. Oh. Ooh, man, it really looks a lot nicer in person. It's definitely something, it has that collectible feel to it. It's not something I want to put in my pocket, but it's like, okay, let's pull it out of there. Oh man, let's see if I can try not to drop this. Oh, it's a beauty. Yeah, I initially passed, but I'm glad that I reconsidered and found one. Now I paid more for this than I would have if I would have initially just got it. I have a good friend that will always let me know when a release is coming and give me a chance to put an order in for at least one. This is a great knife, you guys. It's light. I forget how lightweight the Cadet is. Right. So the packaging isn't nothing fancy. They're still going with the cardboard, and it looks like there's a lanyard. I'm probably not going to pull that out. I will leave it to another reviewer. I'm probably just going to leave that in there because I won't be using it. Alright guys, well, let me pull out the tools. So we got the file on the Cadet, or on the, it's pretty significant, pretty heavy duty. Oh, it's a beautiful knife, guys. I definitely recommend. Don't pass up and miss out like I almost did. Alright guys, hope everyone's doing awesome.